Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to share a new brand which I recently tried out, and I honestly tried out this brand because they had a sale going on and I got a really insane offer. I believe I got everything under 500-600 bucks. I'm not sure. I'm gonna mention the prices of all the products on the screen, and I'll also mention how much I got it for because I'm gonna have to check it on my GPay thing. But I got some really good products and I wanted to show you guys. It's not like a haul because I don't have many products. I literally only have three of them, but they all three are really good. So I'm gonna start. The first product I'm showing you guys is this. The first one is the serum from Asaya. It is their vitamin C and niacinamide, and it is 10% vitamin C and 5% niacinamide. Now this, as you can see, is a small bottle because this I got for free as a tester or a trial. And I'll tell you what guys, these small bottles are equally expensive. Like, you know, sometimes you might feel like, oh, the bottle is small, so the product that goes in the bottle is, you know, so little, so they should, you know, price it really low. And you know, you might think that, but let me tell you, these bottles are expensive, and honestly the packaging is usually more expensive than the serum itself. Okay. And the fact that they gave this as a freebie, I'm impressed. Now firstly, honestly, I like these ones which have this full white thing on top. And I have honestly just used it once. The consistency is really watery and lightweight, but it's not like uh, you know, there is a good amount of humectants, like something like hydrating is in there. It is vitamin C, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. Probably the thickness is coming either from hyaluronic acid, which is high molecular weight, or it could be something like xanthan gum. Absolutely love it. And it becomes like, you know, almost like it's not sticky, not heavy. So it's a really good product. And honestly guys, I'll tell you what, the brands who go in for 5% niacinamide over 10%, I love it, because 5% is ideal. You don't actually need more than 5%. Okay, I said what I said, and that is the truth. Okay, so that was the first product. If you are looking for a serum to sort of brighten your skin, you have acne scars, go in for this serum. It's really good. I do recommend it. Also the packaging is so cute. If you want to keep this in your vanity, it's gonna look so cute, right? Then the next product is the 65 PA++++ sunscreen, and this is, no, it's 3 plus. Okay, yeah, it's 3 plus, and it is UVA and UVB obviously, and it is sweat and water resistant. Now the only drawback, if I had to kind of point out, would be the fact that it is 65 and not 50. 50 is generally what is enough, but the fact that this comes in a spray form, it becomes so convenient, especially for your hands and legs when you're going out. You have to reapply this every 2 hours like every other sunscreen. I think there are a very you know, a very few sunscreens which you don't have to keep reapplying so often. Most of them you have to keep reapplying, but yeah, this one's really good. And all you have to do is just take it and just spray, and you can probably just, you know, do like this and you're done. Can you see my hand? It's actually glowing as well, so that's really nice. Yeah, I love the sunscreen. Easy to carry, especially for your hands and legs. For your face it's fine, but your hands and legs, if you feel they keep getting tanned and stuff, go in for, even for your feet. Okay, when you're wearing sandals and all, like, you know, our feet tend to get tanned, right? You know what I'm talking about. So you can just carry this and just keep spraying it on your feet when you are out the whole day, especially now in summers. Just use it. And lastly, this is something that has my heart, which is this one. This is the rice water, I believe, rice extract face cleanser. And if you have used the rice water face wash from Faces, the Face Shop, I think, right, that the Face Shop, that's the name of the brand, if you have used it from there, this is a dupe of sorts to that. The fact is that this smells like cooked rice. It smells so good. I don't know why, but I love the smell. I think if you like the smell of rice, cooked rice, you are gonna love it. It literally feels like you have cooked rice, and you know, you are applying that on your skin, and it just mentally feels really good, you know. So yeah, there is that. And this has rice extract. It has micronized hyaluronic acid, which is probably the low molecular weight hyaluronic acid is probably something that will penetrate into your skin, because it is micronized. Micronized is basically when the what you say, when the molecules are all chopped up. And pre plus probiotic complex, again something that's really good for your skin health. Also I feel they have really gentle surfactants, which is like the soaping or the foaming ingredients. They are really gentle. They have water, pumptic acid, glycerin, stearic acid, lauric acid, all great stuff. These are the ingredients. If you want, you can sort of screenshot them. You can easily find them on Google as well, but yeah, still love this product, and I know once this gets over I am going to go and buy this because I just love it so much. And you need a very small amount, guys. Honestly, I'm just gonna waste some and show you how much is needed, but literally this is all you need. So this thing is gonna last you for a good amount of time. I'm not even gonna throw this. I'm just gonna keep it here on my table like a small dot, and I will, you know, use this to wash my face or something later on, because it smells, oh my god, it just smells so good. Anyways, I think I've spoken about the smell too much, but yeah, I got these products from Asaya. They are really good. Definitely I think you should go check them out. The ingredients also are really good. Love them. And if you are looking, you know, for a new brand, because see, honestly, the reason why we look for new brands is because the earlier brand has not worked, or somewhere it sort of has let you down, which is why I keep sharing my experience with new products and, you know, new serums and new sunscreens. So yeah, this is Asaya. If I buy more products or they send me more products, I will share another video as well, make more reviews about them as well. And I think that's it for this video. Also, a lot of you all have been asking me for skincare routine for teenagers, so I will, you know, I am working on that video. I want to, you know, have some really good product recommendations for you guys for different skin types. So the video is coming along, so stay tuned for that. But I hope this video helps you out in case, you know, you have been wanting to buy their products. And I have spent my own hard-earned money on that, and I love them. So I really hope this video helps you, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye bye.